Hello darlings, welcome back and thank you all so much for tuning in. So today, as you guys saw in the title, I'll be showing you guys how to do a cornrow. And I've shied away in the past from doing protective styles that have cornrows in them because I've never showed you guys how to do a cornrow. So this is my attempt at showing you guys how to do a cornrow, and I really hope these steps are clear enough for you guys. So we'll be taking this small section of here at the front that I just separated, and then I'm going to be making a slight plait first. And for the plait, I'm going under and inwards with the outer strands. So you have a strand in the left hand, a strand in the right hand, and a strand is in the middle. We're starting with either outer strand, it doesn't really matter, whichever one you feel more comfortable to start with. You always go under the strand that is in the middle and inwards, and then that strand that went under and inwards will become the next middle strand, and you just keep doing the same procedure. So go under and inwards, under and inwards, and you use the index finger and the thumb to guide the procedure and to take up additional hair with it as you go along. So right here, as I carried it under and inward and it reached over to the other side, I'm just using the index finger to grab some more hair with the strand that I already had in my hand. And guys, sorry that my hands were in the way for a lot of the time, but I will try to slow it down a little bit more and show you guys again. And then when you reach the end of the hair, you just start to plait, a regular plait. Now of course this will take some practice, you may not get it on the first try, but just don't give up, just try a few times and I'm sure you'll get it after a few tries. So this is it, this is how you do a regular cornrow. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.